Hello dreamers, welcome back to Daydream TV. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm going to go ahead and do a flexi rod set on wet hair. See, it came out really good. Again, I use All Body Hydrate Me Moisture Me shampoo. I'll go ahead and section off my hair, and then I'm going to clip it. And then I'm going to start off with using the FLEXI Keratin Green Tea Restructurizer. I use it as a leave-in so that it just keeps my hair from being so wet. You kind of want it to keep it dry. Next, I'm going to be using a setting lotion from Lotto Body. I use this because it's kind of like the same set lotion they use inside of the beauty salon. And that's what they use to put rollers in your hair or to set your hair. I'm not using any styling foam because the setting lotion technically acts in that manner. Next, I'm going to use the Illuminate Me Shine Me oil. This oil is going to help me be able to smooth out my hair, and it's also going to give me that shine. I'm going to be using the orange flexi rods. I don't know what size they are, but it's usually the ones I use. It reminds me of the perm rods. They're around the same size. So I go ahead and use little sections and I smooth out my hair as I go with a comb to make sure that it's nice and flat on the flexi rod. You don't want it to still be bunched up, because if so, then it's going to look kind of crazy. So from here on out, I'm just going to continue the same thing using the Lotto Body Set Me lotion along with the Illuminate Me oil, wrapping it around the flexi rod in small sections until I'm done with my whole head. So I am done with the back section of my head. I don't have specific parts. I'm just grabbing hair and wrapping it around. I think that's the best method for me, and I think it makes it look more seamless so you don't see all those parts. Again, continuing around my whole head until I am finished. So I'm on this last one. Hooray, yes, my arms are hurting. So I just go ahead and do the same thing I've been doing. Once I do that, I will sit underneath a dryer. You can go ahead and put a scarf on and just go to sleep. I don't like sleeping with rods, flexi rods, or anything in my head, so I do sit underneath the dryer. Or I will just curl my hair if I need it like immediately. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit on the dryer and then I'll come back and show you how I unravel them. So I'm still going to use that Illuminate Me Shine oil sprayed over my hands. This is going to help me be able to unravel without causing frizz. So I go ahead and unravel it. I start from the back. That's easier for me because once I get to the front, then I can start parting how I want. Again, when I put the flexi rods in my head, I didn't do specific parts because when you unravel it, you don't want those parts to show. So I think that's a good method for me of just grabbing hair and wrapping it around. So now I'm just going to be separating my hair. I've taken all the rods out. I start separating from the back. When I did the rods, if you noticed that I didn't go straight to the root. I like fluffy roots because it gives me a little bit more volume in my hair. Instead of having to pick it to get more volume, I think it kind of tangles your roots, and then when you go to comb it out or put it in a ponytail, you can't because now you done tangled it. So I just go ahead and separate my curls, and then I'm gonna put a part, and we're gonna be done. Um, See, my hair is very shiny because of that Illuminate Me Shine oil, um, and I separate not too much. You just, again, it already gives me volume, so I don't need to do too much separating. this is the final look. I decided to go with a side part. I'm a side part girly, you know, but it's nice and fluffy. It still has some body. It's moving. It's not stiff. Thanks to that shiny oil and that set me lotion. But yeah, that's the final look. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your girl, and I'll see you soon with another hair video.